Two companions say to the questioner he should purify his heart 7 times. Can you please explain this further, inshaAllah? Probably what the Imam is referring to is 7 maqamat. The spiritual technology of Islam defines the maqams differently and enumerates them differently, but frequently we find that 7 are listed, and this is popular amongst the Sadat al-Alawiyin. First maqam or spiritual state is tawbah, which accompanies taking the hand of and pledging one's allegiance to the spiritual guide. And then there are other stages. There's no formal sequence, and they may differ depending on the individual, depending on the teacher, depending on the culture. But they include sabr, shukr, rida, tawakkul. Sometimes you'll find the state fana, which I mentioned, included. Sometimes the state of baqa. Imam al-Ghazali gives a list of them in the Ihya, towards the end of the Ihya. So probably what Imam al-Haddad is saying, and obviously this is a metaphor from fiqh, the heart is a kind of vessel, like a qalib. It needs to be purified 7 times. If a dog licks in a vessel, you have to wash it 7 times. So similarly, if the heart has been polluted by forms of shirk and ostentation and love of dunya in an inappropriate form, then it needs to be purified by these 7 stages or 7 degrees. Wallahu a'lam.